Hello. Bro, this is so odd and weird. Hello, everybody joining in right now. I'm just trying to get everything set up. Send that over. Get everything sorted out. Okie dokie. Hopefully you should be live on both platforms. 2 o'clock, no stream. What is this stupid goal? Hello everybody, hello. Welcome to the stream. Oh, thank you, Nexolip, for the... I can't even hear anything. What is going on? There we go. Hello, everybody. So, I'm using slightly different headphones and they seem to be bugging a little bit. There we go. I didn't forget. I apologize for being a little bit late. I was just trying to set everything up with GitHub and whatnot. But here we are. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. It's 9 AM where you are. Wow, that is very, very early. What are you doing up? Hello, Ant11. Welcome to the stream, everybody. We're just getting everything set up. If you weren't here yesterday, well, welcome to the live stream. We're going to be making a game engine with Vulkan. It's 1:09 PM here in Hungary. Oh, okay, so you're only like an hour ahead. Okay. Cool. It's 12:09 here. I'm thinking potentially let me get this up. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to set up Streamlabs to not like be weird. It's buffering for me too. Okay, wait. Give me a second. Hopefully it stops buffering. And we'll see what happens. Coolio. Alright. Hey, is there a reason why you don't use AI? I'm a mid-senior technical artist dev, and honestly, it's been life-changing. So it's not to say that I don't use AI. Like, I've used AI before. It's just typically, I'm not gonna lie, with programming stuff, a lot of the time it can be a little bit kind of bad. Like, what I mean by that is, like, on a small scale of things. First, thank you, Crystal Coding, for the follow as well. When you start using AI to code stuff, like super simple things, it's usually alright. You're not gonna really have an issue. The issue comes along when you try and do, what's it called? When you try and use and make bigger, like, how do I even say it? When you try and, like, make your project bigger, that's when it, like, kind of becomes an issue. Like, AI doesn't really keep up that well, is what I'm trying to say. Hello, Michael. How is everyone doing? We're getting everything sorted out, or trying to get everything sorted out. Give me a minute, everybody, before we get started. If you missed yesterday's live stream, then yesterday we got started with Vulkan, basically. I'm thinking of switching my headphones, guys, because these ones are being really, like, terrible. I think I'm just gonna switch to my headset. Give me a minute, everybody. But today we're gonna be continuing that, essentially, and seeing how it goes. Give me a second, guys. Headset's on, and let's switch so I can hear everything. There we go. Cool. So we're wearing a headset today. I'm trying to get the audio to work for you guys as well. Right, true. I mean, how would AI know what database you are using, or you are using, stuff like that? Maybe it knows it doesn't need the application errors, might need to throw, etc. Yeah, so like that's kind of the biggest issue I have with AI. When you're doing things on a small scale, it's like usually okay, it'll be fine. But the second you're trying to add stuff into your like framework where you have stuff like already, it can struggle a little bit because it doesn't know your like project and stuff. Do I play piano? Yes, I do. Vulkan is a nightmare. It can be a little bit. Also, guys, if you're over at YouTube, hop on over to Twitch. You get to earn rewards and stuff, have cool emotes. It's pretty fun. And also, like, drop me a follow if you can. That would be great as well. So yeah. Zabloing is joining us today again. There he is. Just chilling. I think as long as you isolate it from outside logic, it's nice to get to write a bit of code, not the whole logic. Well, yeah, I kind of get what you're saying. I try and not use it as much because I like programming. I like the having to do that. So yeah. All right, guys. So today it's buffering still. Oh, my internet might be a bit terrible. Let me double check everything. I probably should have reset my internet before running the stream. Thank you, GG Jorvan, for the follow. On Twitch, it's fine. Okay, so maybe it's just YouTube. I'm multi-streaming, right? So it's like, maybe YouTube's being weird. Okay, cool. I can hear myself. Ah, okay, so hop on over to Twitch, guys, if you're over at YouTube. That's what we're going to be mainly working on. Rightio. So... yeah, I'm live. I was a bit late. Having to say something like it's a nightmare. I don't know, I kind of like it. The blanket's really nice as well. Alright, guys. So, here is what we had from last time. On YouTube is buffering and hear it. It's ads. How fun. Yeah, I apologize. I'm going to try and turn the ad stuff off. Like, I think I've got it on, like, automatic. So, I have no idea. Went to grab a glass of water and I'm like, yeah, I was a bit late, I apologize for that. But basically, guys, we're making a game engine on with Vulkan. If you are over at YouTube, go ahead and join us at twitch.com. That's what I recommend, guys, because YouTube is buffering as well. Apparently it's not the best quality. I apologize, to be honest. But yeah, this is what we had yesterday. If we open it up, I'll show you. It's not much. We have a window, everybody. Like, that's just sick, right? We have a window. Awesome. Today, we're going to be doing quite a few things. I'm hoping to basically get as much as I can. YouTube is still buffering. Wow. Yes, a window. I know, insane. But today... we're going to be doing, we did Windows Surface yesterday, if anybody knows Vulkan stuff, we did that. We're going to be doing some swap chains, image view, and then doing some shader, like setup, basic stuff. I'm hoping we get to a triangle, but I don't know if we will be able to. It kind of depends. I'm hoping we can. I'll be writing my engine to work with Vulkan, except my old GPU doesn't support Vulkan. Ah, that sucks. That really sucks. Yeah, I learned yesterday that apparently not all GPUs support it, which I think like is common sense, but somehow I didn't know it. But yeah, hop on over to Twitch, guys, if you're at YouTube. I still see quite a lot of people on, what's it called, YouTube. It's not as high quality on YouTube, and also you don't get the rewards. It is a little bit annoying because I guess there's an ad when you join on Twitch, but yeah, either way, guys, hop on in. Just abstract the render so you can switch between APIs. Oh yeah, I guess that would be true. Alright, so we're gonna get started. I have tutorial stuff open on the right hand side. We're gonna be doing swap chain stuff today, everybody, to begin. So this will be interesting. I did a little bit of cleaning up since last stream, like basically not much. I also got a, what's it called, set up on GitHub. Not fully just yet. I had to basically exclude all the external libraries because it was too big. But yeah. Alright, so we're going to be doing swap chain stuff. So in the header, let's... I'll do it here, but swap chain is what I'm going to write. Hello everybody, welcome to the stream. Thank you, Kirishna Game Dev, for the follow. I appreciate it so much. Welcome to the stream. Alright. I mean, modules are always excluded in it. Yeah, I'm also thinking of making the project be, what's it called? Make it CMake. I tried doing that today a little bit, but then I realized it's going to take too long, and then I didn't want the stream to be too long, and it's like, whatever. We can do it, like, you know, another day. It's not the biggest end of the world kind of thing. Right, so we need to do the device extensions here. This is basically, guys, if you don't know, just a bunch of like boilerplate stuff we're doing right now to get like Vulkan sorted out. Swap chains are like, you do that basically in everywhere, so it's not the biggest, like, what's it called? It's not too different from, like, for example, DirectX or whatever. But yeah. Alright, now we need to make a new function. So, I swear we already have is device suitable. Yeah, okay, we do. My bad. So yeah, what project are you working on right now? I'm learning Unity, by the way. So this is a, what's it called? We're going to be making a game engine with Vulkan, basically. So we're just getting everything set up for now, which is a lot of stuff. We're going to start with just doing like graphic stuff, and then eventually we can like, you know, do other stuff like graphics and stuff like that. That'd be pretty cool. Wait, no, that's not the function I want. I want this. So yeah, thank you for the follow, Lolo1 channel. Welcome. So I came here on Twitch because YouTube is buffering like crazy. Yeah, guys, I don't know why YouTube is like buffering so bad. I have no idea, to be honest. So hop on over to Twitch, guys. I might end the live on YouTube. I don't know. I've got no idea. I'm hoping it fixes itself, right? This is intentional game up people on Twitch. Oh yeah. Just intentionally making it like, you know, do that stuff. Alright, we need another function that we don't have yet. I'm gonna do that. Right. I want to just get past this stuff as quickly as possible, because I don't think it's very fun to watch right now. Maybe it is, I don't know. But it's just not like super, what's it called, as interesting, because there's not as much to show, I guess. But there we go, we have that. Now we're gonna modify the body of the function to enumerate the extensions and check if all the required extensions are amongst them. Okay, check extension reports. Right, I'm just gonna yoink this because it's a lot of writing. I don't want to have to rewrite all of this stuff. And now we're going to enable the swap chain. Not enough money in the world to put someone through that torture. Right, shaders is assembly. Oh my days. Bro, I don't know where I would even start with that, I'm not gonna lie. It's the only issue. Like, I don't actually know how you would get going with that. I don't even know if there's any like documentation or resources or whatever online about that. Using a swap chain requires enabling VX swap chain, which is fine. Enabling the extension just requires a small change to the logical device creation structure. Cool. Do we already have this? Yes, we do, I think. I swear we already have... Oh yeah, I guess we're using the device stuff now instead of just extensions. This might not be needed, to be honest, so I'll just like a little message. Might not be needed anymore. Coolio. Gabby, is that your keyboard? Sounds like a digital sound that plays a key press. Sounds kind of good. Yeah, it's my keyboard. I will show you in a second. This is the keyboard I have. It's really nice. It wasn't that expensive. It's the Leoborg High 75, I think that's what it's called. But yeah, it's nice. I like it. Yes, the boing is in the back again. He's gonna be staying here for a while unless you guys start to hate him, and then I'll just get a different one. But guys, if you're over at YouTube, hop on over to Twitch. It doesn't buffer as much. It's also nice that you get like rewards and stuff. Sure, you have to watch an ad before you get started, but then it should be chill. But it does support me as well, guys, so you know, nice either way. So we're gonna make a new structure, guys. Not that, like that. Details. I can't spell details. What is wrong with me? Details. Oh my days. What is wrong with me? I can't spell today. I need to go move my mic a little bit. Alright. I'm stuck on an old Logitech. A few of my keys don't work. Annoying while coding. Yeah, I get what you're saying. The only issue with this keyboard, which I've gotten used to now, but it was a little bit of an issue at the beginning, is that it's not 100%, so I don't have a numpad, which I don't necessarily need for coding per se, but it's nice to have for like some stuff here and there. I know. How often do I stream? Every day, surely. I'm gonna be trying to do like 3 or 4 days in a week. Only because like I would do more, except for the fact that I have to, what's it called? I'm still making videos. I'm still gonna be making videos, so like I don't want to like what's it called? Have not enough time to like to edit and make them, basically. Spelled that incorrectly. Alright. I'm hoping we can get the swap chain stuff basically done like relatively quickly. That'll be a good start, to be honest. And then we can just make the details and return them. Come to get yourself into some drama as well. Have you tried coding in JavaScript or TypeScript in uni or otherwise? Sorry if I ask a lot of stuff. No, don't worry. Like, I love the questions. I have not. I did a little bit of JavaScript, but it was only really like not a lot is what I'm gonna say. So I would not say that I can like code in it or whatever. It'd be fun to try it someday. Oh wait, that's gonna be over here, my bad. Where are they adding this? Let's start with the basic surface capabilities. These properties are simply... Sometimes this tutorial, like that I'm like going through the Vulkan one that somebody recommended, like it's good, don't get me wrong, but it's like, it doesn't necessarily say what function we're in anymore. Why is it not letting me? Okay, cool. We're gonna do that. And then, thank you, Alchemox, for the follow. I appreciate it. I'm in the process of building a mechanical keyboard myself. Oh, that's cool. My B, N, O, Q shift keys are bad, and I have not put an enormous force onto them to make the keyboard register. Oh, that sucks. Thank you, Michael, as well, for the follow. I appreciate it. That's really, like, not good. I feel like that's gonna get annoying, like, fast, right? Surely. Alright, I'm copying the swap chain stuff because I kind of understand what's going on anyway. And it's not immensely interesting, guys, is what I'm going to say. Thank you for the follow, Narexa. Welcome to the stream. Stream lagging or just me? Yeah, on YouTube, it's like buffering. I don't know why. It was fine yesterday, apparently, but today it's just being like... what's it called? Not great. I apologize. Why is the extension supported not working, huh? Oh, I guess that's just it. I would love that. Sometimes this makes no sense. Sometimes these people like don't tell me whereabouts we are. Is device suitable? I think that's the function. Like this tutorial, like half the time doesn't actually tell me where we are. It's just like, okay, you need to do this next. And it doesn't specify exactly where we're doing it. To be frank, 60% keyboards are the worst. Like, you need to press FN to use F keys, arrows, etc. 75% are the best in my opinion. This one's a 75% because I have the F keys. I would genuinely really hate not having the F keys, like you know, F1, F2, F3, whatever. It just seems like a hassle, in my opinion. I used to like run a 100% keyboard like majority of my time, but I swapped now and it's fine. I got used to it. It's chill now, but it used to be a little bit hard at first, I guess. So we're gonna do this next. This function. Coolio. I'm hoping today we can like. I don't know if we're gonna get a triangle rendering just yet because I looked at the actual tutorials and there's a lot more stuff to do before we get there. So I'm gonna try my best to just run through it as fast as possible. That's why I'm copying a lot of this code and so I'm just rewriting it myself because it's just the same like boilerplate stuff over and over and over again. Thank you for the follow, XX Sharpie Paneer. Wait, XX Shahi Paneer. I apologize if I'm saying your name correctly. Very sorry. Yes, this needs to be here. Oh no, that's the same. Oh, I was just done that though. Oh yeah, okay, cool. I just had that. Presentation mode, let's do that as well. The Vulkan tutorial was great, but once you get drawing frames in flight, you might run into some issues based on your GPU. The answer for your issue will be in the comment. Oh, okay. It somehow sounds quite good. OEM Lenovo keyboard. Oh, interesting. He's gonna hard carry you. When I want to reduce anxiety mechanics, I just code assembly. I've never tried assembly. Welcome to the what's it called, to the live. If you guys are over at YouTube, hop on over to Twitch. It's less laggy. Plus there's other stuff like emotes and stuff. It's pretty nice, and you get like what's it called? Like award things for watching, like channel points. That's the name of it. Plus, for some reason, YouTube seems to be. Wait, we already have. What am I doing? My bad. Oh no. Okay, cool. I was like, I thought I already had this function. I don't. What? Okay, there we go. Coolio. Let's do that. We need this. Oh, did I just not add that function in? Choose swaps present mode. Oh, okay. So I'm just getting confused, guys. I thought that was the same function name. Clearly, I can't. I just can't read. Why is it not liking that? Oh, because it's static. Can't be made static. No, it should be fine. What? The frick? Oh, okay. Wait. I think we just need this function in here. Unfortunately, we'll just leave it in here. Whatever. It's a little ugly. We'll deal with it, guys. Actually, no, I don't want to do that. What am I doing? Let's... Yeah, not fine. Create definition. There we go. It's still throwing me an error. What is it saying? It's incompatible under a choose swap preset model. Const declared. Oh. Why is it not liking the const thing? Oh. Oh, what games do you guys like, chat? Oh yeah, actually, what games are you guys do you guys like? To find the keys on my keyboard so that it makes me good. Oh, to find the keys. What? Not Sea of Thieves. I don't really play Sea of Thieves anymore. I used to play it a decent amount. She didn't notice it? Oh, wait. What did I not notice? I suppose that I were just here when it comes to channel points. Did somebody redeem something with channel points and it didn't show up for me? I'm sorry, whatever I didn't... The bid celebration, lol. It just didn't show up for me, what the heck? Did you guys see it on the, like, stream? Right now we love playing like Sea of Thieves. Oh, sorry, what games do I like? I saw that question. We saw it on stream. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed it then. But I didn't hear anything. Was there any sound? Well, thank you for the bid celebration, regardless. Oh, there we go. I see it now. Oh, thank you, thank you. I'm sorry. Let me see. Let me do it. Thank you. So, what games do I play? I've been into playing a lot of, I played a lot of CSGO recently again. I've kind of been enjoying that. But beyond that, I've actually, like... I've not played that many games. Oh, Overwatch as well. I started playing Overwatch. I used to absolutely hate Overwatch, so... Oh, it's fine now, by the way, the function. I think it was just, what's it called? Intelligence being stupid. Thank you for the bits, and thank you for redoing it on my days. I feel so bad now. Key to Strike 2. Yeah, I actually... Okay, when I do, like, when I play with, some of my friends who are, like, higher, like, rank or whatever, we don't get that many cheaters. when I play by myself, I genuinely like there will be a cheater every other game or something stupid like that. So I think you're correct. But yeah, Overwatch recently as well. And then just like I like playing games like with my friends, like I don't know, Jackbox or something. It's pretty nice. All right, we're going to add a couple include headers necessary for you and two for this. Okay, I'm just gonna remove the comments. I don't care about the comments. I know what these includes are. I think I need to have actual Twitch open here. Average Valo enjoyer, Silver 2. I think I'm what's it called? My highest rank on like normal comp games, I think is like MGE or something. But my like premier rank is just really bad right now. It's just super terrible. I used to play Valo, to be honest, as well. But yeah, guys, if you're over at youtube.com, hop on over to Twitch, guys. I think the okay. You never got out of silver. That was me with like I used to play League of Legends. I got out of silver, but then there was a big portion of time where I played it loads and I just couldn't like get out of, like, literally couldn't get out of silver actually. All right, we're going to copy this function. Why is it sure? Expected identifier. Why is it? I added all the includes. The heck? I'm gonna Google it. I think there might be another. Does it want me to do like? No. Ooh. Don't know why it's not liking it. I am including algorithms, so I don't know why it's. If it's just another include I'm missing. Does it want like Windows header? No, still screaming. Hazarding a guess since you're using VC++, put this before any includes to find. Huh, interesting. Did you know that LOL launcher and the Valley launcher uses HTML CSS? Just to bits STC. Okay. Includes all the standard libraries. Alright, wait. Let's include that then. Include. I think it's like this. Oh, is it not gonna let me do it? That's no. Do I not even have that? Oh. I don't know if they use brackets. Okay, I'm gonna Google it, guys, because this should be working. I swear. I swore. What's the error we're getting? I expected an identifier. Include undef max. Max is from Windows now. Oh, okay, wait. Do I need a... I have that library. Do I need limits? Okay. It's being annoying. Thank you, Bass Nation, for this sub. I appreciate it. You know, until you have limits. I do have limits? Oh, I do already. Okay, I think we're gonna do the no min-max thing, guys. You said... Do I really need to do the no max? It's currently processor thing. You need to undef it to use the function instead, like a macro. Oh, that's so annoying. Hello? Why are you still having a go at me? Frick? Why is it still... Novax... I don't know why it's still doing that whole... Okay, wait. Maybe we need to... I'll reorganize this slightly. I stream vector. I'm looking at what the Vulkan tutorial has. Huh. Okay, we could do like a safety thing. Can you hover over the error? Yeah. Expected identifier. Undef max. Maybe because the unit needs to have STD in front of it. Well, maybe, okay, I'm gonna try one quick little thing. Thank you for the $1 donation at 11. I appreciate it. What does this button do? Holy shit, guys, I tried to press Control S for something I wrote on my notebook. Wow, I'm dumb. Alright, we're gonna try and figure this stuff out. Somebody recommends undef it like that. Huh? Okay, as a precaution, if def max, undef max, and then end diffing it and doing the same for the min just seems to work. But I already added no min max. Try using latest SUD maybe. Okay, I guess we're gonna keep that. Interesting, guys. Thanks everyone for the help. Like, what? Huh? Surely that's not like... Surely there's another way to do it. I've had this issue myself. I've had this issue before as well, but normally when I do the no min-max or include like Windows header or whatever, it just works. But whatever, okay, I guess. Right, we are going to make a new function to create the swap chain now. And we are just going to ignore that that took so long to get it working, I guess. Let's do that, and then in Vulkan, we'll call this function. And then let's make it. If you really want the min-max set is a project defined and set in a file like C++ already said. Oh! That allow you might need other namespaces, so better to define while calling. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna be using like STD like this. I don't want to be using the actual namespace because if I end up using other stuff, I don't know. This is just the practice that I've been taught. It's better. What does get pinned do? What, as like the Twitch rewards? Where is that? I think it just gets pinned to the top like your message. No, let me try it, okay? I can try it. I've got infinite points. We'll see what it's like. I don't know. This is like the default cooldown. It'll be back. Okay, apparently, guys, my rewards are on cooldown. Okay, that's like... Yeah, you can... So the game reviewed thing, right? / code review. I had that since ages ago. But yes, you can, I guess. This is why I love Ryder. It will give me a good error and good recommended fix. Does Ryder actually do that? Because it sounds like... lovely, to be honest. Alright, yo. Next up, we need some image counts. Then we're gonna do another image count. Huh? I don't think we... I guess we just do the +1. We don't need that. I like using Notepad. It never gives me any error while writing. Now that's the way to go. We'll do the swap tree stuff. By the way, guys, I am copying this directly from the tutorial because guess what? I actually can't be bothered to write all of this stuff out again. What is it doing? Create the info. Cool. Because this is just a bunch of boring boilerplate stuff that I don't think you guys particularly care about. It's just gonna make everything work. So, yay! Stack Overflow. This is your issue. Oh, okay, wait. Let me copy the link. Let me have a look at it. Also, anyone over at YouTube, hop on over to Twitch, guys. Less laggy, more rewards, stuff like that. It's pretty cool. I have a class structure as follows. Wait, so if I delete... Okay, for now, we'll leave it for now. I'll fix that later so it's a bit nicer. I can't let them without knowing what each line of code does when I write, which usually takes me weeks to do my work. Yeah, I kind of get what you're saying, and I would actually normally, like, if I'm doing this stuff, I would normally, like, try and, like, actually, like, you know, like, write this by hand instead of copy and pasting it, because I do agree, it can be very, overwhelming to not know what this stuff is doing. I'm gonna copy the swap chain function though, because the only reason I don't care as much right now is because this is pretty boilerplate stuff. Let's fix this up. Oh, that's cooling. Okay, wait. This should work now. Cool. And then we're still gonna have to retrieve it. Let's go to clean up function. I guess we probably want this like to start. Gabby, where did your name Zyger come from? Actually, funny thing, it kind of came from my surname, because my surname, when you spell it out, has a Z and Y next to one another. And then originally I went as just Z, Y, and then G, because G for Gabby. And then I was like, okay, I'll call it Zyger, because I was like, that sounds kind of cool. But I know other people have also came up with the name, because there's other people called Zyger as well. So maybe we're just all like thinking the same, like, you know, like thought of the same thing. You know, great minds think alike, or whatever. So yeah. You guys, do you have any good ideas for some C language projects that don't really require that much maths? I'm still working on that, I don't know. I don't know, I've never actually tried C. So I actually have no idea. Some original ideas, lol. You got me there. Compiler interpreter. Right, let's get the swap chain stuff ready. This would be one last thing, store the fallout and extent. Okay, wait. We'll do this here. Coolio, should be no errors. Alright, guys. Question is, does the swap chain work? This is nope, it doesn't work. Oh, redefinition. My bad. Does the swap chain work, guys? Is the question. No, again. What do you mean? Did I redefine it somewhere? Oh yeah, okay. Okay. Doesn't work, guys. Third time's the try. Charm. Failed to create instance. Beautiful. Layer load of validate instance extensions not found in the list of extensions. Oh, isn't this great, guys? Lovely. Alright, we're back to going through it one by one and seeing what we did wrong. Seeing what I did wrong, I guess. Right, yo. It's gonna be something stupid, isn't it, as well? Seems fine. It's fine. The Q stuff should be fine. Thank you, Feridian, for the follow. I appreciate it. Hopefully you're having a good day and welcome to the stream. Also, guys, again, I'm going to keep reiterating this, so I apologize for people who are already over at twitch.com. But if you guys are not at twitch.com, go over to official Zyger at twitch.tv/official Zyger. Better stream, better quality. It's a lot of fun. So, yeah. Thank you for the follow, Adam. Welcome to the stream. Alright. We are going to... I'm going to have to go through this function, figure out what's going on. Thank you, Farza Devon, for the follow. Have you added the swap shading station name to your extensions? Ooh, maybe not. I would have thought I did. Device extensions. Where is my device extensions? Yeah, we have. Interesting. Okay. It's fine. We're gonna go through it and find out. A validation layer still has that, which is good. Alright. It's fine. I'm gonna go through it, compare it to the tutorial. Why can I not find my run function, huh? Public void bar. Okay. Window. Vulkan main loop cleanup. The keyboard looks expensive and nice as hell. It's some kind of mechanical, if I had to guess, cherry max switches. It's the Leo Bog High 75. I forgot the switch name. I can have a look if you are really interested. It's like, okay, it is decently expensive. It's like £90, I think. So yeah, like compared to like generally keyboards, it's kind of expensive. But it's like technically on the cheaper sides if we're talking about like keyboards in general. This is still fine. Let's have a look at init Vulkan. Create instance. Yes. Setup. Create surface. Pick physical. I think this is the same. Yeah, cool. I'm going through it, guys, one by one because I don't want to. I want to make sure that everything's alright. So we delete it. Yes. Oh, okay, wait. I don't think this cleanup has anything to do with it, but we need to destroy the device as well. Window terminate. Are you sure you need the 8000 MacBook? I have a 4-monitor setup and wear a 2-year-old t-shirt mostly. 4-monitor setup, that's insane. You have declared device extensions, but do you actually use it in the creation? That's a good question. Probably not. Maybe not. I will have a look in a second. I'm just going to check this function first. Why is it... Oh, it's because... Oh, wait. Maybe I'm not using it here. Let's try that. Failed to create swap chain. Okay, now it's failing to create the swap chain, but it does the instance. That's at least promising. So let's figure out the swap chain stuff, guys. Yay! Create surface, I think, is still making it fine. Yeah. Pick physical device. Let's double check that. Remind me, I was so close to getting it. RTX laptop for cheaper, apparently we can't afford £30 per month installments. Ah. What language is that? It's C++. Hello, Palvara Fundamental. Welcome to the stream. Hello, EasyXGH. Welcome to the stream as well. Our validation layer is enabled. Yeah, they should be. Is there a debug? Where's my validation label? Yeah, enable validation layers are it's enabled. Pick physical device. Let's chill. Create logical device. What's next? I'm just gonna go through comparing it to the tutorial and see what could potentially be wrong here. Create swap chain. This is the function that might be doing stuff wrong. I'm just going to recopy it and see what's good. This seems fine. Yes, available presets. Then we return it. That's cool. Choose swap extent. Maybe it's this one. Apologies. 970 and an i5 to make games daily. The CPU never seems anything lower than 90%. It's 100%. Oh, that is rough. Although I used to run like do loads of stuff on my old like computer, it wouldn't run games, but like I could program on it, I guess. Let's check the query function. This seems fine in all fairness, but I'll just recopy it in case. Is device suitable? Still seems fine. Yep. I'm basically gonna recopy some of these functions because I don't know if I did them correctly. Find query families. Good luck with Vulkan, thank you. They sell in the backpack. People usually wrapped this before they dispose of. What kind of psycho has a blanket with snake pattern on it? It's cool, okay? It's Halloween, even though it's not Halloween. I don't even celebrate Halloween, but it's cool, right? Stop having a go at my blanket. I feel like every time, I mean, I've only been on stream twice this week, but every time we're on stream, somebody has to mention the snake blanket, guys, okay? It has feelings too. Let's not attack it. It has enough going through every day. This seems fine as well. Check validation export. It's fine. Please work. Okay. Failed to create device swap chain. Why is it failing that? Let's have a look. We're gonna debug it now. I'll be able to run TF2. Does not have high requirements. Right, let's have a look. Device is created. Create info. Swap chain is null. Well, that's cool. Why is swap chain null? Does it get created in here, I think, actually, so maybe. Oh, my days. Okay. Swap chain, we have it here. Create swap chain. Is it just this create function? I'm gonna have a look, guys, because I don't really know. Your choose swap surface format needs to return available formats at the end because now all paths return a format. Okay, so wait. Your choose swap surface format. Gabby, how many displays you have? All I see is your head moves to the left and right all the time. Yeah, apologies. I have a monitor on my right, so you're probably seeing. I've got two displays though. Right. So. Guess we'll have to read the code one line by line. Yeah, read the code line by line. Okay, so wait, you said dysfunction. Dysfunction. Oh my days. Okay, thank you so much. I'm stupid. Haha. Yeah, well, thank you so much for that, GG Jorven. I think this should be fine now. No, it's still throwing it. Great. But that is definitely one of the issues. So clearly I did something somewhere wrong. I was hoping that that was just a fix, I'm not gonna lie. But here we are. Thank you, Botmusty, for the follow. I appreciate it. You'll still return if in the if you should still return in the if statement. Oh, okay, wait. Yeah, but this should return there now, that's fine. Nope. Okay. Alright. We're gonna go through it, guys, one by one a minute, because I actually don't know what the heck is happening. Right. Let's start with the vectors. This is fine, both of them. I'm gonna just recopy them in case they're not. Because who actually knows? Q family indices. Struct. No, I want the struct. Put me to the struct, thank you. Are you sure your validation layer is working properly, since you should spit out an error message? Yeah, we got validation layers literally working yesterday. They were working fine. It's just failing to create the swap chain. I don't think it's spitting them out just yet because it's going to do that. Small suggestion, you should have a fake Discord ping as points redeem. Or maybe a fake knock to the classic. Okay, maybe we should add that. Was it a compulsive file saver? I think I am as well, actually. I do Control S like all the time. Right. I'm gonna go through it, guys, just again, because I'm worried there's just a stupid thing I missed. Init Vulkan. Create instance, yes. Set up debug manager, create surface, pick physical device, create logical device, create swap chain. I always Control S 4 to 5 times in a row too, lol. That's macro amazing. Not me, I use Synergy autosave baby. I've never tried that actually. Yeah, no, I do exactly the same as you. I'll press Control S like 4 to 5 times when I do it as well. Right, clean up. In fact, I'm just gonna make sure that this is exactly the same because I don't want to like create instance. I'm pretty sure we already like checked this function, but we're checking it again because why not? Populate debug messenger info. This is gonna be the same as well because it's not really changed. Set up debug manager, that's also fine. Got nothing to do with the issue either, but hey ho, we're gonna have a look. Create surface, yes, that's fine. Pick physical device. Can you use the debugger to step through and show the create info for the swap chain on the command? Because something in there should be invalid if you see it properly. Okay, create, sure, we can do that. What, in the logical devices, or do you want it in the actual... Wait, no, that's the Q stuff. I'll put one here anyway, but just... Where's the other create info stuff? Yeah, there we go, that's where I want it. Yeah, the swap chain, okay, cool. Don't care about that one. We hide that says. So we have the type, yeah, we have the surface, which, as we set, image count is 3, so yeah. Image format has the format, has the color space. Image extent, yep, that's fine. Image array layers, image usage 16. these are 0. I don't know if that should be that. Doesn't equal present family, share mode exclusive. Retransform 0. Opposites alpha. Okay, that's be set, that's be set. Present mode is be set. Clipped. Oh, it's no here. Oh wait, because we aren't modifying it. My bad. And then it's just failing to create it. I don't know if that tells you anything, to be honest. But it looks fine, right? I feel like there would be a more obvious thing that went wrong if it's failing to create it. That's why I'm wondering if like some of this stuff here is I guess it would just be the swap chain stuff, so I don't I've got like a weird feeling in my throat as well. Right, create swap chain. We're gonna go through this and have a look if it's exactly the same. Also, when you try and make a tool chain with MinGV, remember to take a top folder. I don't know why I forget that. Oh, yeah. You say it looks fine. I think you probably know more than me, but to me that looks fine as well. I feel like there would actually be like a lot more obvious thing. Capabilities. Yeah, that's fine. Create info. Once I go through this and it looks fine, I will try and Google the issue, because I'm assuming I'm probably not the only person who maybe has this, like, had this problem. Cool, that's done. Choose swaps chain format. That's fine, we're returning it, so I'm just gonna double check it. That seems fine as well. I'm at a point where I'm just gonna like copy the code exactly just in case I made a stupid mistake somewhere. PayPal leaked my name. Don't worry. I think it actually has a not my actual name, but don't worry, my name's been leaked already. It's fine. Doesn't really do anything. What issue am I having, guys? So the swap chain is not being created. It's failing to like create it basically. So I'm at a point right now where I will just copy the code exactly from the tutorial to see if there is anything different, but I don't know, it seems the same, to be honest. Try again, says the present section code change after you copy and pasted. Oh, okay. It's either returning null or garbage value, which is causing breakdown of installation. But beware in seaming, you need to put the actual path to be executable. Yeah, I did stuff with seaming before, actually, myself. Well, it was for a university project. It was like a group project, so my friend did a lot of the work for it. But anytime I worked with it, at the beginning, it was just kind of like loads of weird, annoying issues. But then once we got into the hang of it, it was like, it's good. Like, I get why people use it. Whoops, my bad. Check validation layer support. What am I? Oh, okay, my bad. I am copying the wrong thing. Do. I'll have a look if it's real. Give me a sec. If it is my real name, it's whatever. Do I have the debug callback here or here? Here. Let's make sure the main is fine. Thank you, Crix in Kyo. I'm sorry if I say your name incorrectly. I apologize. So we've run the application, that's fine. Okay, right. Okay, so it works now. So, okay, you were correct. It was clearly to do, what's called the present selection code. What was that? I wonder what it was. It was probably just like a... Where even is the function? Wait. Wait, on this. Well, either way, I guess it works, guys. So interesting. It works? Oh, thanks for DMing me. Yeah, it's fine if it leaked my actual name. It's whatever. The extent was fine. Quickly hit save before everything goes away. Okay, wait, we're gonna press it like 7 times. But I guess, guys, we have the swap chain done. I don't actually know what caused the issue. That's very interesting. Weird. But the window's working still. I posted the validation stuff before, so it's fine. We're gonna now do image views. So I guess that. Yes, that is my actual name, but to be honest, if you Google that, like, my actual name, the only thing that's going to show up is my LinkedIn, probably. I think that's it. And there's, to be honest, nothing on there that people don't already know, anyway. Alright, we're gonna do image views. Next. You need a new function for it. I'm probably gonna reorganize this file, like, again after the stream, because, like, and also this shouldn't be called renderer. I don't think it's actually not doing anything to do with rendering as well at the moment, but it's fine. The present selection code was wrong, I think. Handles vsync or no vsync. Okay. I think I just forgot something in it. I'm in the same boat as you. I'm learning Vulkan right now. I finished the official tutorial, but then I found this guy on YouTube who has a way better tutorial, Brendan Galea. In his videos where you read annoying stuff, he just gives you code to copy and paste, then comes back to it later when it's actually time to learn it. Helped me understand Vulkan way more than their tutorials. Ooh, I might check them out then. I've never heard of them or seen the tutorials because I've never, like, this is my first time trying Vulkan, so, you know, it is what it is. Right. We'll do the swap chain image views. Size. Guess I can't spell. There you go. Right. Change the file name to Nausea renderer, then you won't get confused. That is a good selection. Imagine, like, doing that with, like, everything. I'm gonna copy the creative for stuff because this is boring as heck. I'm not gonna lie. And I don't think anyone really cares to watch me just write a bunch of create info stuff. Let's go to the cleanup. And then we'll just delete the image views. Alright. Image views, do they work? Do they not? We're gonna have a look, guys. Cool, they seem to be fine. We're not doing anything with them right now, but yeah. Alright, guys. We have officially finished the setup and the presentation. We are going to be now going over to the new section, I don't know. Graphics pipeline basics. Have you always used exceptions? Since a lot of people don't use it in C++. Sometimes, like, I'm gonna be honest, like, when I did my project for university, we did use exceptions and stuff. It was kind of important, we wanted it for the grade. But a lot of the time when I do my own code, I don't use them as much as I should, I think. To be honest. My GitHub looks awesome. Thank you. Oh yeah, I was gonna link you guys the repo for this, but there's, like, not much on there right now. If you're interested to see some other projects, there's some other projects on my actual, like GitHub, I guess. But now we're gonna be going on to... Ooh, I have the wrong thing open. There we go, cool. It's actually impressive, thank you. What do you recommend for learning OpenGL? I would recommend, what's that website called? Learn OpenGL, I think it's literally called. Let me get it up. This one, I used this one before. Like, it was pretty decent to just, like, get you started, and then there was just a bunch of other websites here and there that I found. So yeah. Right, where is my tutorial thing? Okay. The next few chapters will be setting up a graphics pipeline, guys. This is great. It's probably time... I don't know if we're going to be doing this... I think they keep it in the same... I think they keep it in the same, like... What's it called? The same file. So maybe we just keep it as renderer for now. We'll rename it later. Yeah, I guess so. We'll do that for now. But this will need renaming, to be honest. Oh, wrong thing. Oh, I'm stupid. Wait. Let's double check that that works. Yep, still works fine. Oh, I don't know why IntelliSense let me run it like that, to be honest. But sometimes Visual Studio can be a bit weird, or like IntelliSense in general. I found it that sometimes like it'll complain about a random issue that doesn't really matter, like it won't compile, but then other times like you won't even have the header and it doesn't know where it points to, but it still compiles anyway. So interesting. Right, so it's teaching us all shader modules and shit. Do. I guess we're gonna be making shaders as well. That's cool. Shader base. I guess we're gonna do the fragment shader and then vertex shader as well. I don't know what we want to call the shader though, guys. GCSE in English literature. Twitch feels a lot smoother than YouTube. The stream doesn't lag at all. Yeah, I don't know why. Like, I know I'm multi-streaming, so obviously it's gonna be like a little bit heavy. But on Twitch, it seems to just run better. I don't know if that's a YouTube thing or if it's just wrong today. So yeah, guys, anyone over on YouTube, hop on over to Twitch. It's a much better viewing experience. Like, yeah, you gotta watch an ad before you join, but it's alright. You have at least 2 more hours of streaming? Yeah, at least 2 more, if not a little bit longer. Kind of depends. So yeah. Sorry, so there was a question. When did I make that OpenGL renderer? Wait, which one? Let me open it up. GB like... Oh, no. I need to fix this because it takes quite a while to load. Do you mean this one? Thank you, Helen Twitch, for the follow. Or the like this one, I'm assuming, right? Yeah, this was for university. It was in my first year of university. It's kind of shit, I'm not gonna lie. It's not very good. The code on it is available online. But it was pretty fun. This was my first time ever trying